Good day, sir. I'm going to give an example of non-homogeneous linear high order in the in our problem is y double prime plus y prime minus 6y is equals to 2x. The general solution of a non-homogeneous linear equation has the following form: the y is equals to yc plus yp. Then first, let's solve the y prime. Solve the y prime plus y double prime plus y prime minus 6y is equals to 0, and this will become let's replace the y to let's this let's replace the y double prime and the y prime into m. Then this will become m squared plus n minus 6, and then equals to 0. Then let's factor out, and this gonna be m plus m. Let's factor out m plus 3. Then let's multiply it by m minus 2, then it is equals to 0. So we have m is equals to 3 and m is equals to 2. That means the general solution is y is equals to c sub 1 e raised to negative 3x plus c sub 2 e raised to negative raised to 2x, not negative, raised to 2x. Then the next step is find the yp. So yp is equals to a x plus b, same as the g of x. First derivative is y prime p equals to a. That's our first derivative, and the second derivative is 0. So this gonna be 0 plus our a, our y prime, our first derivative, then minus 6, and that 6 is came here from our given, then multiply by our y is ax x plus b, close parenthesis, equals to 2x. Then let's just simplify. A minus 6a x, then minus 6b is equals to 2x. Then next step is let's reorder. It's gonna be 6 ax plus a minus 6b equals to 2x. Then next 6a equals to 2. A minus 6b equals to 0. Our a is negative 1/3. This one is negative 1/3 minus 6b. It is equals to 0. Then negative 1/3 is equals to 6b. So our b equals to negative 1/18. So yb is equals to negative 1/3 x minus 1/18. Then the step 3 is write the general solution. So this is our final answer, which is y is equals to c sub 1 e equals to negative 3x plus, this is it. Let's just write this one, our first general solution, plus c sub 2 e 2x minus 1/3 x. To write this one, x minus 1/18, and this is it.